like right now, I'm not, I don't take a hold of his face like I would if he was in a carriage, you know, something like that. I just give him the bridle rein and let him go. And then if he decides to do that, then I just pick it up and say, I don't think so. You know? I won't bend him around.
Pat, let me go. I know. Me and Ugg went round and round out there.
So what they told us in judges school is they said, if you're not sure who to place first and second, walk them. It's always the tiebreaker, yeah.
Well, that's what irritated me so much in the A shows, not the market A shows. A lot of the winners didn't hardly ever walk. They didn't hardly walk them, even the judge, because I don't think they wanted them to see how crappy they were.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe in the fine harness stuff, they just didn't walk.
Barely, yeah. Some of them just go stand in the corner.
Joy did good this year.
Did she?
She won quite a few stuff.
The pictures look great.
I'm riding JP all the summer. I actually won some trail rides on him.
Really? Well, that's good. If they get really serious about selling Luna, I'd like to keep her through nationals because I'd love to show her again. But one of those schooling shows where you can let them see. I have no access to water hazards or anything like that.
Boy doing now?
He's working at O'Reilly and he's studying to be an EMT. He's doing kind of they give a class at the fire station in Reardon, and then he's been doing his hours at the medical aid, half at the medical aid and half at Reardon. So he's got a really good girlfriend. She's doing the class too.
Well, that's good too.
She makes him ante up. And she's also running a rat now. So now if you use this class or it doesn't do well, you rat him out and tell me.
Good woman to make us behave, huh?
Absolutely necessary.
I didn't care what it takes. I threatened him with death. He wouldn't get out and do this or do anything. I know. I'm still in the stupid years, I think.
Oh, how well we are aware of that.
He's far more clever and brilliant than we are.
That just comes with youth. Till they get to be about 60, and then they realize maybe I didn't know everything.
Well, I guess he's got a plan. He told my mom about his plan, about where he wants to buy a house and all this kind of stuff. But we get a grunt and groan. Good morning, Anthony. You work today?
Did he ever apply for the academy? For the Washington State Patrol Academy?
No, I think he's taking that.
Oh, doing different. The hiring process is so rigorous.
What he really wants to do is he wants to fly over the life flight patrol country.
Oh, no kidding. Well, that's pretty good money.
Yeah, it is very good. Well, just to